Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to take your iPad off sleep mode. Whether you're dealing with the screen going to sleep too often or need to turn off sleep focus mode, I've got you covered. Let's get straight into it. First, if your iPad seems to be going into sleep mode too frequently, the first thing you'll want to check is the auto lock setting. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. From there, go to Display and Brightness and find the Auto Lock option. This setting controls how long your iPad stays awake when it's idle. If you find that your iPad is going to sleep too quickly, you can extend the time by selecting a longer interval or even setting it to never if you don't want it to go to sleep automatically at all. Another thing to consider is whether low power mode is affecting your iPad's behavior. Low power mode is designed to conserve battery, but it can also cause your screen to go to sleep more quickly. To check this, go to the Battery section in the Settings app and see if low power mode is turned on. If it is, you can turn it off to prevent it from interfering with your screen settings. Now, if you're dealing with sleep focus mode, which silences notifications and dims your display, you can easily turn this off as well. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Once there, tap on the Focus button and then select Sleep. This will disable sleep focus mode and return your iPad to its regular notification settings. Alternatively, you can turn off sleep focus mode directly from the Settings app. Just go to Settings, tap on Focus, and then select Sleep. From here, you can toggle off sleep focus mode, giving you full control over your iPad's behavior during your sleep schedule. If you've set up a sleep schedule in the Health app and want to adjust it or turn it off temporarily, that's easy to do as well. Open the Health app, tap on the Browse tab, and select Sleep. Then go to Full Schedule and Options, where you'll find the option to temporarily turn off the sleep schedule by toggling off Sleep Schedule. You can also adjust sleep-related notifications and reminders here to better fit your needs. So whether you need to prevent your iPad from sleeping too often, turn off sleep focus mode, or adjust your sleep schedule settings, these steps should help you get your iPad back to working the way you want it to. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you guys later.